Hello everybody and welcome to the Abuja Estate Vlog 3. Well, if you haven't watched Vlog 1 and Vlog 2, I'll put it up there so you can watch it. In today's vlog, we'll be touring the newly completed Cosgrove Smart Estate that is located in Uye, Abuja, Nigeria. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So now we're just going to do a drive through to the estate so you guys can see how the estate looks like on the ground. So I'm just going to show you guys so you guys can see. So all right, let's go. So let's drive around first. So this is like the environment. So let's drive around the environment so you guys can see how the environment looks like. And then after that we'll drive into the estate so you can as well see the estate. But you can see the surrounding, how it looks like, well fenced. I think they use an electric fence here, so which is quite nice. It's quite nice. They use an electric fence, so everywhere look nice. So this is just the back of the building. Is the back of the building. So everything was done with electric fence, so it looks quite nice. I can see CCTV cameras over there. Those are new. They're still on there. I'm not sure it's on use already because it looks like the thing is still on paper, on nylon. And then they have street lights here. So those are the street lights. Okay, so the street lights. So it looks so nice. Okay, and also I can see some plants there, plants and flowers that have been done here. So that means over time, when these flowers grow up, the whole place will probably provide a shield, and the whole place will look even much beautiful than it is now. But I think this is the end of the estate. That's the end of the estate. So we're going to turn back and then drive into the estate then. So right now I've actually turned back. So now I'm heading to the estate now so that we can go inside so you guys can see. But if you look around, you can see that a lot of estates that are actually in this area. So not just this very one, but I think this very one is just the newest one that is here now. So, and it looks well built. So we'll go inside and try to find out. So let's drive in and see. The estate they're looking at the front has been here for a while, and it looks very nice actually. So I actually think these guys actually created this road. And they created this road just because of this estate. They created the road themselves, which is quite good. So all the way from here you can see how the whole, you can actually see World Trade Center over there. You can see World Trade Center over there from here. We just drove into the estate, so let's now drive around so you guys can see. This is the estate buildings. Okay, so you can see there's a lot of work still ongoing inside the estate actually, but beside that, I think some people have already moved in. So as you can see, cars are parked here. Some people have already moved in, but apart from that, a lot of work is really ongoing. So the buildings really look nice. I can see that there are some ones that they have like a bench or so where people can sit down in each of the houses. So which is nice. But there I can see one CCTV camera as well. I'm just gonna turn. So here you have experience smart living. So I think these are the blocks of flats that they have. The blocks of flats I think goes for the blocks of flat I think is three bedroom. From what I was just told now, that's 3 bedroom. While the terraces are 4 bedroom, and the terraces are 4 bedroom, and the full detached one they are seeing are 5 bedroom. Like those ones, these are full detached. So those are the 5 bedroom. This one's over here. So all full detached, and there are 5 bedrooms. While the terraces are the 4 bedroom, and the block of flats are the 3 bedrooms. So people are still working, and I'm just gonna pull up the price. I'm gonna pull up the price so you guys can see how much it is. So alright, so you can invest into this place if you want. People are buying and then we are reselling as well. So you can invest into the place if you want. So you could just buy. I think there's a lot. You can just buy and then resell as well. So there seems to be a lot of CCTV cameras here as well. So I just completed the tour of the Cosgrove estate, smart estate, and a couple of things I just find out is that first of all, there are no available units at the moment. It's like the whole place is sold out. In fact, the PM actually said that not even the Wuye alone, but even the Katankpe, the ones they have in Katankpe extension, the Wuye, the other ones they have in other places as well have been all sold out. And currently it's like Cosgrove has they have their hands full. So I don't think they even have anyone that's coming up at the moment at the time of this video. So the information I gathered was that I think they have just 3 different kind of building there. So they have the full detached one, which they actually sold for 150 million. But currently none is available. Like I said, they've all sold out, so none is available. However, I was told that they normally people that bought can also resell. That's a secondary market, and currently there is one in the market right now which is going for 130 outright payments. So the price, secondary market price, differ because it depends on who is selling and what the person wants to sell. Okay, so that's it. But they also have the block of flats which have all sold out. I think those ones are going for 55 million or so, but I think those ones are all sold out. They're all sold out as well. And then they have the terrace, which is like 4-bedroom, but those ones as well are also, I'm not sure I remember the price for that one. But the main thing I pick out from this estate is, I think it's a good I think the estate somehow is a high-end estate, because it seems to be in high demand. People have already bought out all the units, bought out all the houses that Cosgrove have. So that means probably they're doing a pretty good job, which is why people are actually patronizing them very well. So, and this estate, I'm told, is a smart estate, and what makes it smart is that because when you're driving, they have CCTV cameras, like I just showed you guys, everywhere, and even in your house there is also a door camera as well. So, and then your number plate, they automatically recognize your number plates once you're driving in. They pick that as well. So, and I think a couple of other things as well that they have, so which the estate have, which makes it smart. So I think in terms of security, I think that will help, having the CCTV deployed, having automatic plate number recognition, and doorbell recognition and all of that. So that makes security a bit more tight here, which is a good thing if you're living here or if you are investing in this place, so which is a good thing. So I think that's a very good thing, and it's a good easy way to go. Okay, so that being said, so since they've all sold out, my plan was to check out the other places they have, like the Katankpe and all of that, but since they're already all sold out, I'm not sure I'm going to do another video about them again. But I mean, if you want to invest, I mean, you can either buy secondary market, like I said, what they already have, or you could as well, probably look out for other estates that are also selling. So I think real estate business right now in Abuja is booming. People are really building, people are really buying. So you could buy and resell if you want, or you could buy and rent it out. So these are the two things you can actually do, so which is really good. I think also Paradise is doing a lot of building in this town as well. So if you are looking to invest, you can as well invest with them. But I haven't done any video about their estates, but I hear good things about them, which I'm also going to check out. Okay, so that's it on this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you need to subscribe to my channel and support this channel. Just click the notification bell when you subscribe, so you can get to see the content once they are up. Please subscribe. It takes nothing. Just click the right button and that's it, and you subscribe. So please, let's support this channel. Let's support the work that we're doing. And if you like the video, please comment and also hit the like button, so that I get to know that you like this video, you like this content, so I can produce more of this content. And if there are other informations as well you'd like to get, please drop those comments, drop them on the comment section, and I'll be able to get back to you as well. Alright, so that's it on this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.